now to a concern that has now been raised over the IMD alerts that are now coming for most parts of the country that are now expected to receive above normal rainfall in this month of July. That has raised concerns about potential flooding and landslides as well, especially in the northern regions. With the monsoon activity which is now intensifying, authorities have now been urged to keep a close watch on the river catchment areas and remain vigilant for landslides and waterlogging. Vulnerable states like Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, who are expected to be most affected, and residents in these areas have been advised to stay alert and take necessary precautions as soon as the monsoon season picks up. There has been, however, devastating turn of events that have been witnessed in Mandi in Himachal Pradesh, where there has been a series of cloudbursts that have been reported, causing widespread damage and losses. Tragically, one person has lost his life, while more than 13 people who remain trapped due to flash floods and landslides. Several homes that have also been destroyed and roads that have been blocked, and that has also severely disrupted normal life in the region. In response, the DC or the district collector has now declared a holiday for all educational institutions today to ensure safety, and the authorities who are said to be actively engaging in rescue operations. We'll keep you informed on the situation that unfolds, but rivers also in the state of Uttarakhand are in a spate, with the alarming conditions that have been witnessed at Rudraprayag Sangam, where the Alaknanda and the Mandakini rivers meet. The water levels that have gone up so high that the statue of Lord Shiva at the confluence has now submerged. Heavy rainfall that has also been persistent for the last few days that has triggered dangerous conditions, and as a result, Kedarnath Dham Jatra has been temporarily halted for 24 hours but has now resumed despite the ongoing rains. Now, authorities say they have deployed additional security personnel along the Kedarnath trekking route to ensure safety of pilgrims, and the travellers have also been advised to stay cautious as the weather continues to remain unpredictable.
उत्तराखंड में मौसम के हालात बेहद खराब चल रहे हैं, जिसको चलते राज्य सरकार लगातार पर्यटकों से कह रहा है कि भाई आप इस समय यात्रा उत्तराखंड में ना करें। जहां हम खड़े हैं ये बद्रीनाथ हाईवे है और आप स्थिति देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे। ये अभी बोल्डर जो आए हैं, आप इसकी स्थिति देखिए। लगातार यात्री भी अब नीचे की तरफ मूवमेंट करना शुरू कर दिया है। मैं आपको पूरा पैच दिखाऊंगा। देखिए, ये बद्रीनाथ हाईवे की स्थिति है और ये पत्थर को हटाया गया। पहले ये पत्थर यहाँ तक था, इसे हटा के यहाँ तक पहुँचाया गया। और देखिए स्थिति कितनी गंभीर है, आपको यहाँ से अंदाजा होगा कि ये पूरा पैच जो बेहद ज्यादा संवेदनशील है। ये देखिए, यहाँ से ये पूरा पैच यहाँ से आता है, ये पूरा पैच यहाँ से पूरा नीचे सड़क पे आ रहा है और यहाँ यात्रा मार्ग पे जो चलने वाले हैं हमेशा यहाँ पे यात्रा अवरुद्ध हो जाती है। अभी इस पूरे पैच को समेटा गया है और अंदाजा लगाइए, देखिए पूरा पहाड़ दरक रहा है और पूरा पहाड़।
Well, Poonam is connected with us right now. Poonam, अभी जो हालात बताए जा रहे हैं, especially in Himachal Pradesh, what are the advisories that have now been given by the authorities?
Yeah, in Mandi in Himachal Pradesh, 4 cloudburst incident has occurred last night, resulting in widespread destruction and 1 fatality. Over 13 people are reportedly trapped due to flash flood and landslide. The district collector of Mandi has also declared a holiday for all education institutions in the district today. And regarding the district administration has also advised residents and tourists to avoid river banks and streams due to the risk of sudden water level increase. And even the IMD has issued alert for several districts in Himachal Pradesh, warning of potential flash flood and landslide. And even administration, the rescue operation is going on in Mandi. Around about 13 to 14 people are still trapped under debris and landslide. So rescue operation is going on over there.
All right. Thank you very much, Poonam, for the update. Rescue operations that have been going on, alerts that have been sounded. However, there has been series of cloudbursts as well that have been reported in Himachal region, but there have been alerts that have been sounded for the northern regions with the ongoing intensifying monsoon activity. We'll keep our viewers updated on the same. With that, we head into a short break.